As we enter the home stretch of the school year, our teachers and administrators have done a great job of keeping our students engaged with hands-on activities and projects. We'll have more on that coming up now in this edition of the Fox C6 Strong Minute. We'll start off with 5th grade students here at Sherwood Elementary that got to participate in Curiosity Labs, a project that was brought to them by volunteers at Millipore Sigma. As you can see, they were really into this lesson. Next up, Antonia Middle School, where Mr. Smith's 8th grade science classes left the classroom for other parts of AMS to build, test, and launch hot air balloons as a final activity for their Matter unit. The results were fantastic and everyone had an awesome time. We had a milestone at Clyde Hamrick recently. Students had a chance to stretch their legs and have a ton of fun during the school's first ever color run. Job well done on your fundraising efforts, Huskies. At Don Earl Early Childhood Center, this is a new one. They had a huge tent and campground set up for kiddos to sit and listen to Dr. Townsley as he read to every class about how to use their helping hands to make the world a better place. The Seckman Middle School Concert Choir got out of the classroom and went to Branson recently for a clinic at Legends Theater. The experiences like this go beyond the classroom, giving students insight into live performance, sound production, and the dedication it takes to succeed in the arts. Before we go, I'd like to remind everyone that our 3rd annual Festival of Nations event is next Wednesday, the 22nd, at Fox High School Gym from 5:30 to 7:30, and admission is completely free. That will do it for this edition of the Fox C6 Strong Minute. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic weekend, Fox C6.